I'm gonna make a sushi salmon roll, and I'm gonna start slicing my sushi. Just slide it right off the skin like that. That's how I'm gonna do it. Do it one more time. Good sharp knife. Lean into the skin when you do it, like that. Just sliced up all the sushi. Now I'm get ready to roll my rice. I'm gonna place some rice on this. I'm gonna try not to put it on the very end because that's where it sticks together at. And we're gonna go from there. What you do is just spread it out. That's all you do. And as I spread this out, I'll come right back. I have all the rice that I'm gonna put on here, and I got it sitting on a Ziploc bag so that I can make it easier for me to handle. And I'm gonna just lay some of the fish right on here. And this is sushi because the fish is not cooked. Now, if you want an onion or some celery or anything like that, you can put it in here now. This is the time to do it. And since I said something about an onion, I think I will throw an onion in here. Trying to make sure that I get some sushi in every bite, some fish in every bite. Let me get an onion. That's how you would do it if you put celery or something in there, or some any other thing. You take your roll and you just fold it like that, and then you go push it a little bit more, and you just hold it like that. Then you go a little bit more, and then you hold it right here, and you set it there. Now this last piece down here, where there's nothing here, you wet your fingers and you put some water along there. And then we fold it like that. And then you push it in there and push them in there. And that's how you have a sushi roll. It's just that simple to make. And all I used was a Ziploc bag to help me. You buy these from your Asian store. You get so many in there. And they have these lines on it. That's what you cut on. You don't roll it, you roll it so you can cut on the lines. Right there, like that. Now I'm going to let this sit for a while so it can firm up, and when I cut it, it just won't fall apart. You would put this in the refrigerator for a while, at least I did. and so I can cut it. I just didn't want it to fall apart because it was freshly done, and for the video's sake, I was rushing the timing on it. The onion is white, so you don't see that too good, but you do see the fish. If you want lots of pretty colors, then you put lots of pretty colors on the inside. And get you some Worcestershire sauce. I showed how to make homemade wasabi. Let me get the Worcestershire sauce. I said Worcestershire sauce, but it's soy sauce. That's what here's the Worcestershire. And I got some fish sauce, and I'm gonna use soy sauce in here in the same container that I made the wasabi in. So we have some wasabi in there already. You probably see it around the bowl. And I will be eating this on my mukbang channel. It's in the description box, called Tasty Sensations. And this way you can make your own sushi rolls. Very simple, very easy. Put what you want in your sushi. And I'll see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the everything button. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now. Did forget the one thing that is normally done on sushi. I was going to take some of this fish here so I can have more of the fish on here and lay it on there like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, lay it on there like that. Like when it was still standing up. Just take a piece, like them little pieces I got set to the side. Excuse me for going off on too early before I showed this. But that's what I wanted, to have more of the salmon on here. That's why I want to make this a salmon roll. My salmon roll. Like that. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. And I'll talk to all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.